2026 just flipped the US firearms market upside down. What manufacturers dropped this year isn't just new, it's disruptive. Higher capacity, insane ergonomics, optics ready straight out of the box, and bold risks from brands that usually play it safe. New players are crashing the party, big names are fighting to stay relevant, and shooters everywhere are paying attention. These 10 pistols aren't just releases, they're warnings. Buckle up because the handgun game just changed. 10. Staccato CS Pro. Staccato's CS Pro brings championship-winning features to a compact package for concealed carry and backup applications. A 3.5-inch bull barrel with Staccato's proprietary coating and match-grade chamber dimensions maintains exceptional accuracy. Many shooters report sub-2-inch groups at 25 yards. The trigger breaks at 3.5 pounds with zero perceptible creep and incredibly short reset. Aluminum grip with aggressive texturing provides secure purchase. 16-round capacity and double stack magazines, aggressive slide serrations and optics cut designed for defensive and competitive red dots. Low mounted optic allows iron sights to coexist in the lower third, providing backup if red dot fails. Premium price justified by meticulous attention to detail. Every critical part is hand-fitted and inspected. Staccato guarantees reliable function with all ammunition types and provides comprehensive warranty. For those viewing pistols as life-saving equipment, the CS Pro represents the current pinnacle. 9. Taurus GX4 XL. Carry Taurus's GX4 XL carry combines increased capacity with enhanced shootability for concealed carry applications. Grip length optimized for 15-round magazines maintains a slim profile suitable for inside-the-waistband carry. The 4-inch slide provides an adequate sight radius without excessive bulk. Enhanced trigger features, flat face braking at 5 pounds with short tactile reset. Grip texture provides secure purchase without wearing through clothing or irritating skin. Optics cut accommodates multiple mounting patterns with included adapter plates. Steel sights feature a high visibility front for rapid target acquisition. The barrel features Taurus's proprietary corrosion-resistant coating. Stands out through a combination of capacity, shootability, and price significantly lower than comparable offerings. Includes 3 magazines. Early reviews suggest Taurus has created a legitimate competitor in the everyday carry category. 8. Canik Rival-S Steel Frame. Canik's Rival-S adds a steel frame to their successful competition formula for shooters preferring metal-framed pistols. The steel frame reduces felt recoil substantially while maintaining suitable weight for all-day competition. Aggressive grip texturing and integrated magwell guide magazines home effortlessly. The competition trigger features adjustable pre-travel, over-travel, and pull weight, breaking at 3.5 pounds with glass-smooth pull and incredibly short reset comparable to triggers on much costlier pistols. Or windowed and lightened slides maintain structural integrity. Optics mounting accommodates multiple patterns with included adapter plates. Match grade barrel with traditional rifling optimized for jacketed bullets. Exceptional value proposition includes 5 magazines, multiple optic plates, suppressor height sights, custom hard case, cleaning kit, and spare parts, all at roughly half the cost of comparable competition pistols from established manufacturers. 7. FN 509. Tactical Elite FN's 509 Tactical Elite combines features from duty and competition pistols into a versatile multi-purpose platform. The redesigned slide incorporates deep serrations, window cuts reducing reciprocating mass, and visual barrel status indication. Updated optics mounting accommodates a wider variety of red dots with optimized height for better suppressor height iron sight co-witness. The 5-inch threaded barrel features FN's proprietary coating claiming twice the service life of conventional finishes. Standard 1/2-inch by 28 thread pattern fits most pistol suppressors and compensators. Upgraded aluminum trigger with adjustable over-travel brakes at 4 pounds with minimal take-up and short reset. 21-round capacity with extended magazines, flush fit 17 rounders included. Enhanced texturing provides secure grip without excessive abrasiveness. Fully ambidextrous controls with enlarged magazine release. Ships with 4 magazines, multiple optic plates, and cleaning kit. A legitimate do-everything option for multiple roles. 6. 1. CZ Shadow 3. Compact CZ's Shadow 3 Compact brings championship-winning DNA to a package suitable for concealed carry and compact competition divisions. Shortened dust cover and grip frame maintain excellent excellent shadow ergonomics. 16-round capacity is achieved through clever double-stack magazine design with tapered tops for improved feeding. The SA/DA trigger system is refined for the compact platform. Double action at 7.5 pounds, single action braking at 3 pounds with virtually zero take-up. The optics cut sits the red dot low enough for a proper sight picture even without the optic. Match-grade barrel with conventional rifling provides exceptional accuracy. Adjustable iron sights allow precise zero. Interchangeable grip panels in 3 sizes allow customization to hand dimensions. The ambidextrous magazine release is positioned for rapid manipulation. This compact shadow could reshape expectations for carry size competition pistols. 5. Smith & Wesson M&P 10mm Tactical. Smith & Wesson's M&P 10mm Tactical brings proven reliability to the increasingly popular 10mm cartridge with features appealing to outdoorsmen and tactical applications. The reinforced frame handles increase pressures of 10mm ammunition. Engineers strengthened the locking block and redesigned the recoil spring assembly for reliable function across all 10mm loads. From light target rounds to heavy hunting ammunition, the 4.5-inch threaded barrel allows suppressor or compensator attachment. Additional slide mass balances the pistol and reduces felt recoil. Optics mounting accommodates all major red dots. 15-round capacity is impressive for this caliber. Aggressive M 2.0 grip texture provides traction with wet or gloved hands. The enhanced trigger features audible and tactile reset. The included package features 4 magazines, multiple optic plates, thread protector, and polymer holster for outdoor use. Positioned to compete directly with Glock's 10mm offerings with more appealing features. 4. Walther PDP F-Series Pro. Walther's PDP F-Series Pro is optimized for smaller handed shooters and those preferring reduced grip circumference. The frame is slim by 4mm compared to standard PDP models while maintaining 15-round capacity through clever engineering. The texture pattern provides maximum traction with minimal hand size. And trigger reach is shortened without compromising the excellent trigger braking at 4.5 pounds with short, tactile reset. The optic mounting system sits the red dot lower than many competitors, creating a natural sight picture. The barrel features a unique coating providing superior wear resistance. The dynamic performance trigger comes standard with 3 back straps for fit customization. The Pro model adds forward slide serrations, extended slide release, and ambidextrous magazine release. This fills a genuine gap for shooters finding standard service pistols too large. 3. Springfield Prodigy 2.0 ACP. Springfield's Prodigy 2.0 ACP combines double stack capacity with 1911 style ergonomics, refined for competitive shooting. The 5-inch bull barrel features an integrated compensator venting gases upward, dramatically reducing muzzle rise. Multiple spring weight options allow shooters to tune recoil impulse. The excellent trigger now includes adjustability for pre-travel and over-travel. Aluminum grip panels with G10 inserts provide superior traction and perfect fit customization. 20-round capacity gives competitors a significant advantage. The optic mounting system accommodates virtually every pistol red dot without adapter plates. Suppressor height iron sights feature high visibility fiber optic fronts. Skeletal slide cuts maintain rigidity while reducing weight. Ambidextrous controls accommodate left-handed shooters. Early adopters report performance rivaling pistols costing twice as much. 2. Glock 48X competition. Glock's entry into serious competition shooting, the 48X competition, is a ground-up redesign maintaining Glock reliability while incorporating features competitive shooters demand. The frame features an extended sculpted magwell, pyramid-shaped stippling, undercut trigger guards, and thumb ledges. Glock collaborated with renowned pistolsmiths to develop a competition-grade trigger breaking consistently at 3 pounds with minimal creep. The slide features aggressive serrations, optics cuts compatible with multiple systems, and weight-reducing windows. The match barrel system comes standard with tighter chamber tolerances and conventional rifling optimized for jacketed projectiles. The recoil spring assembly is calibrated for the lighter slide, balancing speed with control. 17-round capacity with extended base pads available. Ships with 3 magazines, optic mounting plates, and Glock's new competition holster. 1. SIG Sauer P365 XMacro Elite. SIG Sauer continues dominating the micro-compact category with the P365 XMacro Elite. This evolution addresses every critique while introducing features shooters didn't know they needed. The XMacro Elite features a redesigned grip module with aggressive texturing and SIG's new TXG technology in a polymer frame, balancing weight distribution perfectly. The integrated optic system features an enlarged window, longer battery life, and enhanced durability. Additional slide lightning cuts reduce reciprocating mass by 18% for flatter shooting. Capacity remains 17+1, with improved magazines featuring witness holes and reinforced base plates. The refined flat-face trigger breaks at 4 pounds with minimal take-up and short reset. Oh, standard night sights co-witness perfectly with the optic. This could become the new benchmark for everyday carry pistols. And that wraps up our look at the 10 pistols reshaping the 2026 handgun world. From micro compacts delivering full-size performance to competition beasts ready right out of the box. One thing is obvious, manufacturers are done playing it safe. Triggers are cleaner, ergonomics are sharper, optics are no longer optional, and capacity has a whole new standard. Whether you carry daily or chase split times, 2026 gives you more power than ever. But here's the twist. The best pistol isn't on this list. It's the one that fits your mission. Train smart, stay ready, and we'll see you next time.